Stop snoring. Start sleeping. Stay married. This is not a joke. That's what hostage tape actually did for me. I used to snore so bad that my wife moved into the guest bedroom. I'd wake up with a dry mouth, a sore throat, and zero energy. Then I created hostage tape. The name's a bit intense, but so was my snoring. This is the only mouth tape that actually stayed on, didn't rip my beard, and it fixed my sleep. Now I sleep better, I don't snore, and my wife's back in the bed, which is honestly a miracle. If you snore, fix it. Hostage tape is legit. Stop snoring, start sleeping, and stay married. Trust me, your partner will thank you.